Hi guys, welcome back with me again in this channel. On today's tutorial, I'm going to show you how you can trim your clips to the beats of the music. So in here, I've already imported the clips and also the music. And the first thing that you need to do is mark the beats of the music by clicking on the music or audio, and here swipe until you find the beats option. And to make it easier, I suggest you can just use the auto generate from CapCut. So CapCut will automatically mark the beats with the yellow dots like this. And here you can just adjust or set the intensity. I'm going to go with light. Okay, swipe to the left like this, and then just click on the check icon. Now what you need to do to trim your video is you can just trim it with align with the yellow dot in here. So click on the clip and let's trim it by dragging it to the left like this. And for the next clip we can do the same. So align it with the yellow dots like this. So when you play the video later, it will align or sync with the beat. Okay, so that's how you can easily trim your clips to sync with the beats. Thank you so much for watching. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe. Also click on the thanks. Bye.